I am washing fruit and vegetables. I am peeling potatoes. I am chopping vegetables. I am grating cheese. I am spreading butter. I am flipping pancakes. I am boiling eggs. I am adding sugar to the tea. I am blending a smoothie. I am squeezing lemon juice. I am rolling out the dough. I am stirring the soup. I am draining the cooked pasta. I am baking a chocolate cake. I am picking fresh herbs. I am mashing potatoes. I am slicing the cake. I am pouring milk. I am mixing the ingredients. I am preserving cucumber. I am kneading the bread dough. I am setting the table. I am crushing garlic. I am scooping ice cream. I am filling the jars. I am toasting bread. I am pinching salt into the soup. I am sifting the flour to remove lumps.